My name is Michael Altenhoff. I'm in mechanical engineering with materials option.
My name is Jacob Altenhoff. I'm a third-year mechanical engineering student with the materials option.
I was pretty good in maths and sciences. My math and science teacher let all the students in their class know that this is what engineering is. If you're good at math and science, you should try and do it because it's something you're probably going to enjoy doing.
I think the main thing would be just the amount of labs and research opportunities that there were, and that's why I chose mechanical engineering, because it had so many options.
I know there's lots of automotive industry and partnerships between Stellantis and University of Windsor. There's lots of opportunities for co-op and research.
So at the University of Windsor, there's the Outstanding Scholars Program, which is good for getting research done in undergraduate studies, which is always nice.
With my co-op, I've had 2 terms already. Currently it's at Trigascus, which works on MIG welding equipment.
So as a research position, I was able to actually do the research at the university using some of their testing machines. I was working with a graduate student, helping him get a journal paper completed, and it was a pretty good experience. I was able to get some hands-on experience learning how to program these testing machines and being able to operate it.
I was able to get some hands-on experience with training in a machine shop and also doing some welding. The hands-on experience with that is very valuable, and I appreciate the professors giving me the opportunity to do that as an undergraduate student.
So the main thing about engineering, just in general, not specifically mechanical, you can go on and do other things. Police officers, lawyers, I mean, an engineering degree, you can pretty much go on and do anything you want, as long as you're motivated enough to keep up and pursue your goals. Thrive in mechanical engineering at the University of Windsor.